Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Population resilience questions get easy fast when you focus on which group can actually handle change, not just survive right now. Watch this carefully. High genetic diversity increases the chance that some individuals already carry traits that help them survive new conditions, like temperature shifts, disease, or changing resources, and that matters most. This diversity provides the raw material for natural selection, because when environments change, variation lets some organisms reproduce successfully instead of the whole population struggling in exactly the same way. In contrast, small populations, low reproductive rates, or mostly identical alleles reduce flexibility, so the population is less resilient overall. That makes option C correct. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Don't rush signs, trust what's given, and check the steps, because resilience comes from high genetic diversity under change.